1, 4, 9, 16. 1, 4, 9, 16 are called square number.
And so on. We know that the number of unit squares in a square, the area of a square, is the product of its sides. The table below given
Square, if there is a, if you take the product, if it is 6 centimeter, this also 6 centimeter, then 36 centimeter square.
with different sides.
Side length in units. 1. Area in square units. 1 into 1 is equal to 1 square unit. 2. 2 into 2 is equal to 4 square units. 3. 3 into 3 is equal to 9 square units.
Why not square unit is that they are telling, if it is centimeter, centimeter square. If it is meter, meter square. So what unit given, that will be taken as square unit.
4. 4 into 4 is equal to 16 square units. 5. 5 into 5 is equal to 25 square units. 10. 10 into 10 is equal to 100 square units. We use the following notation for squares. 1 into 1 is equal to 1 square is equal to 1.
You see, 1 into 1 is equal to 1 square equal to 1.
2 into 2 is equal to 2 square is equal to 4.
See, 2 into 2, 2 square 4.
3 into 3 is equal to 3 square is equal to 9.
3 into 3, 9. 3 square 9.
4 into 4 is equal to 4 square is 16.
4 into 4, 4 square is equal to 16.
5 into 5 is equal to 5 square is equal to 25.
5 into 5, 5 square. To show square, it should, you see, 5 to the power 2. 5 square, 25. Next.
In generally, for any number n, we write n into n square,
Into n, n square.
which is read as n squared. Can we have a square of side length 3 by 5 or 2.5 units? Yes, there are area in square units are 3 by 5 square is equals to 3 by 5 into 3 by 5 square
See,
is equal to
see,
9 by
3 by 5 whole square is equal to 3 by 5 into 3 by 5. Like that we can
9 by
write.
25.
Like that we can write.
and 2.5 square is equals to 2.5 into 2.5 is
See?
equals to 6.25.
2.5 whole square. See, when it is square, we should multiply 2 times. 2.5 into 2.5. You forget the point. 25, 25 you have to calculate. See, 25 into 25. The last number is 5. 5 5s are 25. 2, the next number is 3. 3 2s are 6. So 625. 2, here 1 point, here 1 point. We should put point, 2 point, after 2 letters, point, 6.25.
The square of natural numbers are called perfect squares. For example, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 are examples are all perfect squares.
Natural numbers, 1 square 1, 2 square 4, these are the 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 are perfect squares.
Patterns and properties of perfect squares. Find the square of the first 20 natural numbers and fill in the table below. 1 square 1, 2
See,
square 4,
wait. 1 square 1,
2 square 4,
2 square
3 square 9,
3 square 9,
4 square 16,
4 square 16,
5 square 25,
5 square 25,
6 square 36,
36,
7 square 49,
49,
8 square 64,
64,
9 square 81,
9 square 81,
10 square 100,
10 square 100,
11 square 121,
11 square 121.
12 square 141.
12 square what?
144.
144. Tell
13
correctly.
square 169.
13 square 169.
14 square
196.
196.
196.
15 square 225.
225.
16 square 266. 256.
256.
17 square 289.
17 square how much?
289.
Okay.
19 square
18
361.
square. 18 square.
18 square 324. 19 square 361.
Hmm.
20 square 400.
So, you know, now you understand till
20.
20 square. Next go.
What patterns do you notice? Share your observation and make conjectures.
What pattern we are seeing? See, 1 square 1. So 11 square what is coming? 121. The end number is 1. 2 square 4. 12 square 144. The first digit 4. 3 square 9. 13 square 169. So the first digit 9. Here also 9. Here also 9. So we are getting the single digit, first digit, same number.
Study the squares in the table above. What are the digits in the unit place of these numbers? All these numbers end with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. None of them end with 2, 3, 7 or 8.
Now, you please understand, the end number will be 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, 0. But you can't see the end unit digit 2, 3, 7 and 8.
If a number ends in 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9, is it always a square? The numbers 16 and 36 are both squares with 6 in the units place. However, 26 whose unit digit is also 6 is not a square.
26 is not a square. 5 5s are 25. 26 not a square.
Therefore, we cannot determine if a number is a square just by looking at the digit in the units place.
We can't judge by seeing the unit digit.
But the unit digit can tell us when a number is not a square. If a number ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8, then we can definitely say that it is not a square.
If it is 2, 3, 7, 8, definitely it is not a square. We can conclude. How will you keep memory? 2, next number 3. Then 7, next number 8. The 4 numbers, if end in the unit digit, it is not a square.
Write 5 numbers such that you can determine by looking at their units digit that they are not squares. The squares 1 square, 9 square, 11 square, 19 square, 21 square, 29 square all have 1 in their units place. Write the next 2 squares. Notice that if a number has 1 or 9 in the units place, then its square ends in 1.
See, 1 square 1. 9 square 81. 81 means the unit place is 1.
Let us consider square numbers ending in 6. 16 is equal to 4 square. 36 is root 6 square. 196 is equal to 14 square. 256 is equal to 16 square. 576 is equal to 24 square and 676 is equal to 26 square.